In Dibac, I can apply the current properties of the drawing to any object. Let's change the line style of these walls, for example. I'm going to use a blue color and a solid line type. After setting this style as the current properties, I can go to Modify and Apply Current Properties. Now I have to select the walls that I want to be affected by this function. Once I have selected the walls, I right-click and the properties will be automatically applied. Note that I can double-click on other lines of the project to display their properties. In this case, the line width has been reduced to default value. And now I can go to Modify, Apply Current Properties, and then click on this partition, for example. Then I right-click to confirm and the update will be applied.